Hey guys, welcome to another part of Five Nights at Freddy's free roam tutorial. And I want to thank you for 162 subscribers, which is really insane. The series haven't really begun. I just made the first part, and yeah, I made only the first part because I didn't have time. I was for a week on somewhere else. I couldn't record. Anyway, I'm gonna record now. So the first thing we want to do is to make the doors. We made the doors in the Five Nights at Freddy's project, in the regular one, not free roam. We made it through Matinee, right here. Well, then we can't duplicate the doors, and we can't copy and paste them. We need to make the blueprints once again. We can't move them because then we will break again. So what we want to do is to make a blueprint. So let's go to Content, third person BP blueprints, and right click and create a blueprint class. Right here we don't want to create pawn, don't want to create character, anything here. We want to be an actor. So we're gonna click actor, and we're gonna rename this to security door underscore BP. So now we have this. We want to make the door first, the design. So we're gonna get a cube. Gonna make it wider, like this. We get metal, sorry. We're gonna use, let's say, burnished steel. I think that is okay. So we're gonna use this material. We can make the door wider and bigger, like this. We can add a sprite. Bigger sprite. But we don't have any sprites, so we're gonna just use some already used. I'll find some. Let's say, I don't know. Let's use. Let's go to our internet. I was creating our site for a project here, so that's why is it open. We want to find a warning, a sign, no background images, and this is exactly what we want. We don't want any stock images, so we're gonna use some regular ones. We can maybe use this one, or it's really hard. Let's use this one, but without background. Yeah, this one. This one is okay. Maybe doesn't matter, you know. Let's pick this one. Copy. Okay, we need to save. Let's save it to our I don't know. Let's say warning sign. Save it. Show it. We're gonna paste this into our in here, and we're gonna get the not this. Get there, so paste it in here. We look at this, we see it's okay. We can make some adjustments in here. We can do 2D pixels, but that's too. We're gonna leave it like that. We can select here what is it, what is the texture. We're gonna leave it the world. So yeah, it's like this. Save. We're gonna right click and create sprite. Sprite actions create sprite. Sorry. Warning sign sprite. And we're gonna select warning sign. Warning sign, that's it. This is too white. I don't want it. Okay, so can you tell me why is it like this? It's really weird. Anyway, we're gonna do it like this. The sprite. And like this. Smaller. Like this. And I think that's okay. Now we have this little sprite. Now if we move the door, it moves with the door. The cube, let's make the location at 0. And let's make it both sides. Sprite. Oh my god. What the freak? No, but why this happens? It shouldn't happen. I think it's too big. Delete it, I don't care. Okay, so we have this, and we want, yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah. Once we have this, we want to make the walls. Yeah, we're gonna make a wall. I mean, we're gonna make a wall one, but we don't want to be under default edge. We don't want to be under cube. What? Can you tell me why is it scale normal? Yeah, like that. And we're gonna make it pillar if we can find one. Yeah, this is nice. Use this pillar right here. Sorry, pillar. Yeah, nice. Make it smaller, like this. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna move the door a little up. Disable this and move it like that. Copy and paste. Like this. Yeah, I think that's okay. Nice. It's glitching from the other side, so we're gonna make it smaller so it fits perfectly. Like this. And we're gonna like this. This is perfect, and we're gonna make it a little small. Hold on. A little smaller. Like this. I think it's still glitching, but I don't really care that much. It's glitching because it's not important. It's not that important. Anyway, now we have the door. Door will open like this. This is the door. Door will open and close. Yeah, like that. So this is the location 0. We're gonna make it like this. And to the event graph, we're gonna make a custom event. Let's say let's name this open door. No, let's make it interact with door. In the custom event, we're gonna create an input, and it's opening. And from opening, we're gonna branch. This is much easier because then we can just do this. Hold on to compile. Interact with door, and opening is true or false, and if opening and it's closing. So I think that's awesome. It works, and yeah, if it's opening, we want to make. We've done this once. We're gonna make a timeline. I'm gonna make this open door. Play from start, and we're gonna get a position. So the base is 0, 0, 0, and the open one, which is going to be like this. We're gonna look, and we can see it's. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna create a float track, and we're gonna create a vector track. So I'm sorry, not delete the float one. Delete. You want this other key to X. Okay. So you only need the Z. We don't need X. Zero everything. We're gonna lock X, lock Y, and hide X and hide Y. Create a key to Z times 0, value 0, and yeah, like this. And we're gonna open like 2 seconds. Key to Z, and this time is going to be 2, and the value is going to. Oh shit! Sorry for cursing. Sorry for cursing. Anyway, 257. We're gonna click this. You can see it's doing it's rest, right? So we're gonna auto, and it does this sort of nice move. I think it makes it more real. Compile and save. And yeah, I think that's what we need to do, really. The new track, we're gonna rename it to rename, no, it's Z value. Oh my god, no! Location, like that, location, not Z value, because it's the word location. So to update, from update we're gonna set actor location. And not set actor location. And what we should use the set location and a set relative location to the cube. That's it. That's what we want. That's exactly what we want, and the location goes to the new location. Like this. And this should okay, we're gonna click on sweep so we don't get stuck on the door. I don't know if it's working, but I'm gonna try if it works. Anyway, we're gonna, I think that is all we need to do for the open door. We're gonna do the closed door That's pretty much the same, but it's reversed. Maybe we should reverse from it. Okay, so compound safe. We're gonna place one of the security door blueprints in here. First of all, we want to make the cube the 0 location, so it's like this. We'll place it somewhere here, like this. Yeah, this is the door. We're gonna rotate it. We can put it this way. We can go to the door, interact with it. It's blocking us. And let's make that door open. So we're gonna go to blueprints, right click, and we're gonna make where is it, window, and find results. We're gonna, let's make either one that will. Okay, so okay, where is the palette? Sorry, I'm an idiot. E. E. Okay, so let's find E. Okay, here. We want E. Okay, we have it. Finally. I'm sorry, I'm not a pro in Unreal Engine, so maybe sometimes I kind of forget what I'm doing. Anyway, on E, we're gonna I think let's do for each loop and for that we're gonna get all actors of class, and the class is going to be the security. Out actors is gonna be the array. And no, it's not going to be for each loop, it's going to be for each loop with break. The array is going to be here. The break, we're going to leave that. So we're going to get this to the target, and the target is going to be the array element, and the other actor is going to be get player character. We're gonna print string for now because we want to test if it's working. Okay. Or not the duration. Sorry. So every time you press E, it shows us the direction to the door. If we pray, we're gonna try doing multiple doors, accessing multiple doors. Make this, make 3 of them. It shows us 3 values. We're gonna, this is 150. I think 150 is let's say 160. Yeah, so if it's smaller than 160, load is smaller than 160 range. No, sorry. Here, and if it's true, we get the array element. And we're gonna interact with door. Go here. And also we're gonna go to the break. Like this. I think this should work perfectly. It is opening to true balance. Now we can't open any doors. So I think. Hold on. Okay, now I don't understand what is going on. If the distance is... Okay, this is bigger, I'm an idiot, sorry. Float is smaller than 160. I'm really sorry. So we're gonna go here, we can't open any doors, we're gonna go to a door, and it will open. Very nice, and it works. Oh, it's only opening, so it's I think we go to the interactive door, and we're gonna screw this. I'm gonna make a flip. A is going to be here. These maybe like this. Yeah, this should work. Let's see. I'm gonna leave this. Let's see. Let's see. File. Low. Interact. I'm sorry, my mouse is going insane. Like this. Like this. Components. This should work, please work. Because when we go to the door, it opens and it closes. And it works. And it doesn't close around there. Which is weird, but it's... Anyway, I think it's okay. Maybe we can disable the sweep option, but then it will smash us. Anyway, I think this is really the thing we're looking for. We can make as many doors as we want. We can duplicate this. We can do it here. Open it. We can close it. Close it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Close it. Close it. Now the animatronic is chasing me. Can open that door. Close the door. Anyway, that's all I want to show you for this video. I think it's enough. I don't want to make the video so long. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode when we're gonna make the office. Okay? Bye.